welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I decided to try out HelloFresh. I've seen so many people do videos on, their meals, and this is not sponsored. So I thought I would, give a more like unpaid, honest review of this meal subscription box. Now, I went through hell to locate my box because it said it was delivered at my front door, but it was not. It was all the way in front of my leasing office with a bunch of other packages. So hopefully other people get their stuff. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. So this one I chose to do 3 meals for 2 people for 1 week. I'm not sure if my daughter will like this or not, but I just wanted to try it out. I chose high protein, low carb meals because if you have been here, then you know that I'm on like a weight loss lifestyle change, the way I eat and everything. So I picked simple meals that I feel like would be to my liking. And so like for this one, this is the glazed ginger turkey patties, and it comes with carrots, zucchini. I love zucchini. Button mushrooms, not too kind of happy about that. They have some kind of sauce. It's supposed to be spicy. May not use that sauce because I'm not really big on spice. But yeah, I really got this, and then this is what it looks like. Love that it has the directions on the back. Then the next meal that I got is the Zucchini pork noodle stir fry. All of these are supposed to be very simple meals to fix, not taking no more than 35 minutes to cook. Prep time is like 10 minutes or something like that. But this is what this one looks like. Real simple. And then I picked something that's more like for lunch as the third one. And it's supposed to take 10 minutes to prep. And this is the queso chicken lettuce wraps with tomato and lime. So this is what that looks like. And of course you have to refrigerate. It comes very insulated, which is a good thing. So just take these out. Welcome to America's #1 meal kit. And it has like little questions and pamphlets in it. It says to refrigerate, not freeze. So all of this will be going into my refrigerator. So this is the queso chicken wrap. This is the pork noodle stir fry pack. And then this is the glazed ginger turkey patties. It came with a sweet tea, pure leaf sweet tea. I guess this was free. Okay. And it comes with ice, recycle me, clean and dry, set aside and recycle. Cool. I definitely will recycle. And then the ground pork, ground turkey, and then the cast iron seared chicken breast. So I've decided to do the queso chicken lettuce wraps. This right here. And it's supposed to only take me like 10 minutes to do. So I'm gonna open up the pack and see what we're working with. We got a lime, tomato, got the lettuce, you have the queso blanco sauce, and then you have the spice blend, the fajita spice blend. So this should be fairly easy to do. I'm gonna put the other recipes up because I plan on cooking them sometime this week, and of course the chicken. So it says to wash and dry the produce. about to do. Please excuse the change in lighting. My light went dead. And this says to quarter the line. I'm pretty sure I cut it the wrong way, but you know what? It is what it is. I am not a chef. All I can do is try. So I already washed the chicken, dried it, and it says to thinly slice crosswise. So I definitely need a different knife, but this chicken is already cooked. It says it's pan seared, cast iron pan seared. My hands are clean, my nails are clean. I'm the one that's gonna be eating this, so no worries. Clean over here. Definitely should have used a better knife. So, okay, chicken is cut. It says place chicken in a large microwave safe bowl. I don't have a large bowl, but I'm going to use just a regular bowl. Let me taste the chicken and see. No flavor. It says add half the fajita spice blend, all for 4 servings. So it says to add salt and pepper to season, but let me open this pack. I used all of the blend, fajita blend, because I'm cooking all of this, or fixing all of this. And then it says to drizzle with oil, 1 tablespoon. So let me get some oil, and I'm pretty sure that's teaspoon, not tablespoon. After lime, it says to squeeze. I really don't like salt, so I'm only going to use a little bit of salt and pepper. I feel like the fajita seasoning should do it. And it says to toss it. I'm not going to toss it with my hands, so I'm just going to use these tongs to toss it around. So this is what the chicken is looking like thus far. Now I can move this out the way, bring this over. And then it's telling me to trim and discard the root end of the lettuce and separate the leaves. Half the tomatoes as well. This is already. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave. It says for 90 seconds. And also, I'm supposed to combine the queso and 1 tablespoon of water in a medium microwave safe bowl as well. So I'm getting this bowl for the queso. If I put too much water in it, hopefully it thickens up. Well, I'm gonna be mad at myself, but put this in the microwave, 90 seconds. I'm not really a tomato person, so I'm not gonna even eat the tomato on it. I'm just not a tomato person. I know that's kind of crazy, but so me trying to cut a tomato is, I know y'all like, that's not how you cut it. I wouldn't know. I'm not really sure where it stopped recording, but we're getting ready to plate the food. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. I'm gonna try it. I spent my coins on it. Add the chicken. I can actually use this chicken for a salad, a nice salad. Definitely a nice salad. So I have plenty of chicken left over because I could have made a couple more wraps without the tomatoes. Now let's add the queso. I think I put too much water, but it does thicken up. But if I order this again, now I know not to put a lot of water. So this is my HelloFresh meal. Now it is time for me to try one out. Okay, let's see. Okay. That was good. A quick snack. Healthy snack at that. I don't know how healthy this queso is, but it's supposed to be high in protein. And the lettuce is a good substitute for using tortillas. The queso was too thin. That's my fault, not the recipe's fault. Everything else was good. The fajita seasoning made the chicken do well. I didn't put a lot. I just put a pinch of salt because I'm not a salt person. So if you want something quick and fast and you're interested in trying HelloFresh, try them out. So yeah, the chicken itself, the leftover chicken that I have, I'm gonna make me a grilled chicken Caesar salad to take to work for lunch. So I'm glad I have some meat left over. So I'm going to enjoy this meal or a quick lunch snack with my grandson. Stink, you want some? You want some of this? He said he wants some. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.